How to add manager to YouTube channel. So first go to YouTube and then just click on your profile here at the top right and then click on YouTube Studio. Okay, now here you just need to click on settings here at the bottom left. Now click on permissions. Next is you just need to click on invite here at the top, and then you just need to type in the email of the person that you want to invite as a manager here on your YouTube channel, and then you just need to click on the drop down here and select manager. Okay, now once you've done that, you've added the email and selected manager, you just need to tap on done or click on done, and then an email will be sent to that person. Now all that person has to do is to open up the email that he received or he or she received, and then you just need, or he or she just needs to accept the invite, and then he or she will immediately be the manager of your YouTube channel. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.